Think you've seen it all? These 25 viral TikTok gadgets are taking over in 2025, from clever tech to unexpected must-haves. Let's take a look at what everyone's talking about. As usual, links to all products are in the description below. Showers just got a futuristic upgrade. This digital shower set adds sleek style and smart features to your daily routine. The piano-style buttons give you full control at a single touch. No more fumbling with knobs. A digital display shows water temperature in real time, while ambient lighting sets the mood. It's made from space aluminum, so it's rust-resistant, modern, and built to last. Hate folding laundry? Now you don't have to. This smart folding machine takes over the chore, neatly folding and gently ironing up to 30 garments in just 4 minutes. It automatically detects fabric types and adjusts for the perfect fold every time, whether it's cotton, polyester, or wool. The sleek, compact design fits right into any room. You load the clothes, it does the rest. Ever wish your laptop could multitask like your brain does? Now it can, with this clever screen extender that turns your laptop into a full triple display setup. Just attach it, connect via USB-C or HDMI, and enjoy 3 display modes to suit your needs. Each screen is full HD, folds flat, and adjusts independently. It's plug and play, ultra portable, and boosts your productivity wherever you work. Chopping veggies doesn't have to be a workout. This 4-in-1 electric cutter makes slicing, dicing, and mincing fast and effortless. Whether it's garlic, onions, peppers, or even small cuts of meat, just press a button and let it do the job. It's rechargeable, cordless, and compact. Perfect for quick prep without the mess. Clean up a breeze, and it saves tons of time in the kitchen. Tired of your phone taking a dive every time you hit a bump? This magnetic car phone holder locks your device in place with a strong grip, so it stays exactly where you need it. The foldable design means it disappears when not in use. It's easy to install, easy to adjust, and works with most phones. Safer driving starts with keeping your hands and eyes on the road. Charging chaos? Not anymore. This 5-in-1 wireless station powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once without the cable mess. It even doubles as a bedside alarm clock with a soft ambient light. Fast charging means less waiting, and the sleek design fits perfectly on your nightstand or desk. One device, multiple functions, because simple is smart. Packing smart just got easier. These foldable travel hangers are perfect for cruises, hotel stays, or any trip where space is tight. They fold down small enough to slip into a pocket, but open wide to hold shirts, dresses, even jackets. The anti-slip design keeps clothes from sliding off, and they're surprisingly sturdy. Lightweight, compact, and super handy. You'll wonder how you traveled without them. Too many dirty clothes? Not enough space? This mini USB washing machine is your go-to fix for life on the move. Just drop it into a bucket or sink, plug it in, and it uses ultrasonic waves and a mini turbine to gently clean small items like socks, underwear, or masks. Perfect for travel, dorms, or camping. It's light, portable, and surprisingly effective for its tiny size. Drying clothes just got smarter. This foldable electric dryer combines heat, UV, and steam to get your laundry fresh and ready. No clothesline needed. It extends automatically, holds your garments neatly, and folds away when not in use. Great for travel or tight spaces, and it even comes with a remote for hands-free control. Fast, hygienic, and space-saving. It's laundry made easy. Meet your kid's new favorite teacher, who also happens to be a robot. This mechanical buddy walks kids through how to draw cute objects, spell simple words, and even solve basic math problems. Just place a card in front of it, and it springs to life with step-by-step instructions. It chats casually, like a friendly tutor that never gets tired. Learning suddenly feels more like playtime than homework. Why settle for a boring nightlight when you can light up the room with color and control it from your bed? This LED lamp brings your space to life with 6 different shades, perfect for setting the mood or helping kids drift off to sleep. It charges by USB, so you can unplug and use it anywhere, like during a blackout or on vacation. Compact, stylish, and totally kid-friendly. A nightlight that actually feels fun. Printing on the go just got seriously cool. This handheld printer lets you mark anything: boxes, bottles, t-shirts, metal, plastic, even rough surfaces, with clear text, barcodes, QR codes, and more. It's got a crisp 4.3-inch touchscreen and uses fast-drying ink that won't smudge. You can load files from a USB stick or type directly on the screen. Whether you're labeling batches or customizing gear, it fits right in your hand and gets the job done fast. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance against this mini cooling fan with cat ears. It's a 2-in-1 air cooler and humidifier that adds a refreshing breeze wherever you go. Just fill the tank, pick one of 3 speeds, and enjoy cool, misty air in seconds. The rechargeable battery makes it perfect for desks, dorms, or even outdoor hangouts. Plus, the cute design makes staying cool way more fun. This isn't just a fan, it's your personal breeze machine, anywhere you go. With 4 powerful speeds, built-in LED lighting, and a remote control, it's ready for tents, hotel rooms, patios, or your workspace. It folds down to travel size, sets up in seconds, and even doubles as a power bank with a USB-C port. Lightweight but sturdy, it rotates and oscillates to keep you cool from every angle. Salon results without the salon trip? That's the magic of this smart nail device. It scans your nails with 3D precision, then paints and dries them in just 20 minutes, while you sit back and relax. No mess, no shaky hands, no appointments. The AI adjusts to your exact nail shape for a flawless, glossy finish every time. It's like having a professional manicurist in a box. Big laundry machines are overkill for socks and undies. This mini washer is all you really need. It's lightweight, folds flat, and still packs in a 16-liter capacity with 3 wash settings. Whether you're in a dorm, hotel, or out camping, it handles the little stuff like a pro. The built-in spin basket even helps with faster drying. Just pop it open, press a button, and let it work its magic. Keys are so last decade, this smart door lock brings security into the future. It gives you 4 ways to unlock: fingerprint, keypad, Bluetooth app, or good old-fashioned key. You can even share temporary codes with guests and track who enters through the app. The sleek design fits most interior doors and installs with just a screwdriver. It's a smart upgrade that makes your space feel a whole lot safer. Want your car to feel like a party on wheels? These interior LED lights let you pick from millions of colors, sync to your music, and control it all straight from your phone. The two-line design makes installation easy and keeps things tidy. No messy wires. Whether you're cruising at night or stuck in traffic, the lights pulse and glow to your beat. It's like giving your car a whole new vibe. Forget those wasteful air cans. This electric air duster blows them away, literally. With a blazingly powerful motor and 3 power levels, it blasts dust from keyboards, vents, car interiors, and even outdoor gear. It's cordless, rechargeable, and runs up to 100 minutes on a single charge. Lightweight and tough enough for tight spots, it's a smart, eco-friendly way to keep your spaces clean and gear dust-free. Laundry emergencies? Solved. This sleek portable dryer can dry a shirt in just 15 minutes, perfect when you're in a rush. It's plug and play, no installation needed, and fits beautifully in small apartments or tight spaces. The smart sensor knows exactly how long to run, so you don't have to guess. With 8 versatile modes, including refresh and sanitize, it's more than a dryer, it's a laundry game changer. Say goodbye to soggy sandwiches and melted snacks on the road. This 12-volt portable fridge chills your food fast, down to freezing in under an hour, without a single ice cube. It's compact, quiet, and fits right in your car, truck, camper, or RV. With a 23-quart capacity and energy-saving modes, it keeps everything fresh without draining your battery. Whether it's camping or tailgating, your cold drinks are always within reach.